How to fix FACEIT AC warning. IOMMU is disabled. So guys, I'm going to show you multiple quick and easy methods. Let's get started. First, restart your PC. Then while it's restarting, keep pressing the BIOS key. Different devices use different keys. For HP, it's F10. For Dell, it's F2. After BIOS opens, open the advanced option. Now here, if you have an Intel PC, enable VTD. After enabling it, save and exit. Once Windows opens, open the Start menu. Then type Windows Security in the search bar and open it. Then go to the three lines on the left side. And then open Device Security. Now go to the Core Isolation Details option. Then on this page, turn on the Memory Integrity toggle. After turning it on, restart your PC once. Now the next step is checking virtualization. If you skip this, all settings won't work. For this step, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. Now from here, open the three lines at the top. Then go to the Performance tab. Now in the CPU section, check at the bottom that virtualization should be enabled. After doing all these settings, open FACEIT AC again and check it. Still got any problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.